Inside the tray will be a sterility indicator, which will let you know that the tray has been processed appropriately. If the indicator has not turned the appropriate color, the tray should be discarded and the backup boat utilized. The first instrument that will be needed off the top is the sternal retractor. This is used to spread open the sternum after the wires are removed. It's open in a counterclockwise fashion as shown. The remainder of the instruments, with the exception of the handheld retractors and the basins, come pre-assembled on a bar. The basin is utilized to set the instruments up in a way where they can be easily grabbed.